Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2005 Volvo XC70 AWD D5 in metallic black finish with the 16-inch Volvo alloy wheels. The vehicle has got roof rails and rear parking sensors. It's got also split folding rear seats and a luggage cover in the boot. And the front view of the vehicle has got front forks and headlamp washers. It's got contrasting full leather interior with 5 headrests, a rear center armrest. For your safety, it's got front and side airbags. It's got twin electric seats with a memory driver's side, electric windows and mirrors, lumbar support on the both seats, automatic transmission, and a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side. It's got smart sat-nav on it, heated seats. By the way, it's got folding mirrors and a DSTC traction control, air conditioning with a door zone climate control, AM/FM radio and a CD player, auto rear view dimming mirror, glass tilt inside sunroof, in the glove box we have the owner's manual of the vehicle, the center armrest with a cup holder in there as you can see, and some storage department. This was the video walk around of the 2005 Volvo XC70. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.